Hey everyone, if you're getting an upload error in Kapwing and your videos, images, or audio files won't upload properly, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the most common Kapwing upload errors in 2026. First, check your internet connection. Since Kapwing uploads files to the cloud, a slow or unstable connection is one of the most common causes of upload failures. If possible, switch to a stronger network and try again. Next, refresh the page and attempt the upload once more. Temporary browser glitches can sometimes interrupt the upload process. Another common fix is checking your file format. Make sure the video, image, or audio file you're uploading is supported by Kapwing. Unsupported or corrupted files may fail during upload. If none of these solutions work, contact Kapwing support and provide details about the file type, file size, browser version, and any error messages you're receiving. And that's how to fix Kapwing upload errors in 2026. In most cases, checking your connection, verifying the file format, updating your browser, or disabling conflicting extensions will solve the problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.